Yo, Yuxendo, I'm back again. I'm back again. May iba-iba man lang tayo. Tagalogin ko na nga lang. Eto nga, we're going to unbox yun nga, random Shizz. Since I'm using this and this one, tuwing yun nga, nagre-record ako or nag-i-stream or edit, then rendering Shizz. I'm going to unbox this one. Yeah, as you can see, I'm going to unbox a Hideo Kojima production. I don't know what's this. From Sapiens to Ludens. And yeah, this one. As you can see, it's just like here. Yeah. And from what I've heard, ang laman nitong box is a mug, pins, stickers, shirt. Hindi ko na alam kung ano yung iba pa. Okay, let's check it out, guys. And yeah, gusto ko rin makita nyo rin para at least yun nga, makita nyo kung ano yung laman. Sorry, tanggal na pala yung tape. Let's check it out. Ito na. Ano ba yung laman ito? I hope it's all good shit. May nalaglag kayo. May nalaglag. Wait lang. It says, ano to? May nakalagay. Yeah, nag-aaral pa mo Japanese, so take a look. Yan. Yan po naman to. Bye. Electric pan nga pala ako dun. What else? We are Homo Ludens. Those who play from the moment we enter this world. We instinctively invent ways to have fun and share our inventions with those around us. We are not asked to do this, nor do we need reasons to create. It is simply who we are. We find one another and compete with one another. We laugh together and cry together, all while playing together. Our experiences blind us and liberate us. To share our most valuable experiences, we create stories, invent tools, and evolve the art of play. Play has been our ally since the dawn of civilization. Playing it's not simply a pastime, it is the primordial basis of imagination and creation. Truth be told, Homo Ludens, those who play, are simultaneously Homo fiber. Also great, even if Earth were stripped of life and reduced to a barren wasteland, our imagination and desire to create would survive beyond survival. It would provide hope that flowers may one day bloom again. Through the invention of play, our new evolution awaits. Kojima Production, we are Homo Ludens, we are those who play. Wow. Signed by Hideo Kojima. I got very lucky. Actually, limited lang daw tong box na to. So yeah, ito yung kanyang, I don't know, mapapaltang ko na yung, basta na ito yun. May pirma ni Hideo Kojima eh. And okay, check natin. Lipat ko muna ito. Ayan natin itong stickers. Ayan. Sana all na. Ayan, sana all. Yeah, we have stickers here. Ayan. As you can see. Very nice. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko pa ilalagay ito. Siguro kung na-custom ko na yung kwarto ko one day, once na this channel would grow up. Yun nga, pag rumami na yung subscriber, nakita na rin. I hope, one day. Tulungan nyo ako, guys. Kalat nyo i-subscribe nyo. Okay, what else? Oh, yun nga. Ayan. There's the mug. And there's the pin. Oh, pas na rin yung kulay ng pin. Yeah, I think it's white. Actually, white dapat yan. Then it turns out, fade na naging yellowish na. And ayun nga yung mug. Finally, I could use it now. Okay, let's open it. Teka, kailangan kita nyo rin. want you to see how I open this special box. Actually, malapit na yung birthday ko. Kaya parang early gift. Parang opening gift. And ito nga. Tadang! I have the pen. Kaya tanggalin ko. Baka masira. Ayoko. Teka, para kita nyo. Parang makita nyo paano ko sirain yung pen. Actually, it's nice. Teka, tingnan nyo. Very nice. Ay, mag-focus ka dito. Huwag dyan. Sa pen. Sa pen. Yan. Very nice. Metallic yung rubber. Yung rubber tuloy yung kanyang pumping dito. Metallic. Sayang, I'm not working anymore in hard rock. Natasuotin pa naman to. Yeah, before in my previous company, we wear pins. So ingay. Babalik ko siya. Gandang ilagay pa rin ito dito. Yeah. The other one, it's black. Focus on this one. Yeah. Very nice. Also, it's metal. Yan. Next time ako magpapag-giveaway, okay? If nakita na itong YouTube, okay? I swear, magpapag-giveaway ako. It's either an item, or kung gusto nyo yung load, or yung gamitin nyo yung load dun sa skin, bahala kayo. Kung anong skin mo. Chicken skin. Balik! Uy, balik ka dun. Ayoko nang ano yun. Yeah. And here we go. The glass itself. What? Akala ko white to. White to. Akala ko white to. It's very nice. Wow. Bye, mug. Ayun nga. Okay, I have a new glass. Okay, here we go. Let's check it out. Ay, focus ka dito. Yeah. Oh my god. Ang ganda. Now I have to be careful not to have any damage on the design. Ganda niya, promise. Mukha siyang coffee, yun nga yung mga tumbler. Kaso wala naman takip, sayang. I don't know if yung mga takip ng Starbucks kakasya dito, pero ang ganda, promise. Wait, there's something. Ano yun, rap? Ayun, no, may ano sa ilalim kasi. Ano, hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Parang yung shaker eh. Yeah. This is nice. This is nice. Ang ganda siya, promise. I am very lucky. Sobrang swerte ko lang. Nakakuha ko ng ganito kasi napaka-limited nito. Nung nirelease daw to before around like, I'm not sure if 2018, hindi ko maalala yung nirelease yung Death Stranding. Most of the boxes daw are limited. Especially in Tokyo Game Show. Nakita ko to saan ni Gia, ni Doko. Check out his channel. Nandun yung vlog niya sa Tokyo Game Show. He purchased also one of the boxes. Kung nakikita nyo dun sa mga podcast niya, nandun sa yung POV ko nung nakaratingin ka, nasa left side, upper left nung shelf niya, nandun yung box. And I think nakuha niya yung black version ng shirt. Kasi may nakikita rin ako shirt dito, yung kung naalala ko kinukuha ata dito ay yung white. Kaya yun. Very nice. Dito ka na. Yan. Okay. Next up, the shirt. tatanggalin natin. Yup. Actually, may black din ako eh. Kaso, yun yung common na Kojima production design. Pero ito kakaiba to. Yan. Tingnan natin yan. Tanggalin natin. Sayang yung plastic eh. May Kojima production. I'm not gonna throw this. Tanggalin natin. Ay, grabe. Nakatape ba? Nakatape nga. Not gonna remove it anymore. Yung shirt na lang. Dispunit na to. Oh my God! Wow! Hindi nyo nakikita nga. Ang ganda ng black. Ang bango nga. You could smell the brand new. Ang bango. Seryoso, ang bango. Oh my God. Ay, no. Kita nyo yan. Seryoso, ano yan, Kojima production na ang brand niya. Look at this. Aray ko, yung mic. Look at this beautiful design, guys. Ang ganda. Nga lang, di masyadong kita yung skeleton design niya. You can see it, pero I think pag bisita ko lang kaya senpai ko suotin ito. Bahala na. Ang ganda, promise. See, it's have the shine print. Yung print niya, makintab. Unlike nung mga common na design. Pakita ko sa inyo yung isang design. Teka lang. So guys, ito yung normal design. See, it's still Kojima production, okay? Okay? It's not the fake ones that you go to a shop then magpapa-custom ka ng mga blue corner. Hindi ko gawain yun na. Ata. Kaya yun. See, this is the normal design. Sayang nga eh. Kung ginawa na lang nilang ganito yung makintab. White siya eh. It's still nice. Anong size niya? Tinitingnan ko yung size kasi. It's medium pero US size eh. Kaya malaki-laki rin. Ayaw kong masyadong fit. I'm done with that pormahan. Yan. Kaya yun. And that's it for my unboxing video. I mean, random unboxing Shizz. I don't know kung ano yung mga susunod nating i-unbox. And, nga pala, before we end this video, these guys, i-100 views nyo na yung assembling ng 3 SD Gundams ko para sumunod na to. Kasi atat na ako. Hinihintay ko lang mag 100 views. Yun lang naman sa akin. Kunti lang naman. 100 views. Hindi naman kadamihan yung gusto ko. Like, libo-libo. Maliit pa lang naman yung channel. This channel is just small. Kaya, kahit 100 views, 250. Okay na ako sa ganun. As much as ma-monetize ang to channel, I'm very happy. Malaking tulong na yun sa akin, guys. Kung sino man nanonood nito, mag-comment na rin kayo. Mag-subscribe na rin kayo. Or i-like nyo na rin. Bahala kayo. For me, I'm just doing this for fun. And yun nga. So, kung ma-monetize man to. And yun nga. I'm gonna do this all year or every day to entertain you guys. Kung ano man yung mga random Shizz na gagawin natin. Mga different variety. By the way, yun nga. Different variety content nga pala ako. Yeah, yun. And anything else pa ba? Wala, yun lang. Anyway, see you guys. Again, Yuxendo here. I'm out. Like and subscribe, guys. Bye-bye.